Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I went shopping this morning at a local Baumarkt, Home Depot, you could say. And, well, I've got myself a few workbenches. As you might be familiar with the current lumber prices, they are ridiculous. No, material prices in general. They went through the roof. You can't get anything for like an affordable price anymore. But then I stumbled across these workbenches, which were only 69 euros. I just had to have them for this price, specifically for this price, 69, very nice. But yeah, I got 3 of these because they are just way cheaper than getting myself lumber, putting everything together. When I originally got this workshop, when I rented it, I wanted to build everything on my own, shelves, etc. But it's just not affordable at the moment. And yeah, currently I can get myself this cheap workbenches, for example, put a bit of wood onto it, drill a bit, and then just make it more stable. Yeah, this is the way cheaper alternative, and this is why I went with it. It is what it is right now, and I'm going to create like, I don't know, French leads to put them together, basically to just shove them together to create a bigger workbench, so making a little connection system over time. But for now, I'm just going to build everything up, and yeah, we're going to see how they look and if they are stable and all of the like. So yeah, enjoy today's woodworking vlog, I suppose. Help! No! Help! Oh. Those were the workbenches. I've also gotten myself 3 of these shelves because they were cheap as fuck. 14 euros for these shelves, heavy duty ones. I don't think that they are going to be really stable, but as mentioned before, I'm going to use a bit of plywood later to make it more stable. But for now, those have to suffice, 3 of those, and I hope they are going to do a good job for the next few years. And I also got this one right here. It's just to, well, can you see it? Yeah, probably. It's just to basically put tools on here, and then I can drive them around in my shop, such that I don't have to carry them around at all time, which is going to be really useful. This only was like, I don't know, 20 bucks too, so very cheap. But this one actually looks rather good, I have to admit. Yeah, and that was basically everything apart from a scroll saw and also a few drill bits to cut through the aluminum here. Yeah, well, that was my shopping tour this morning. Well, that's fucking stupid. The screws they want me to use are these ones, and they don't have any kind of part to track my drill. And I don't have the part for the drill with me. I have those at home, so I gotta use my personal screws for that. Screw that fucking workbench. Very cheap stuff. Well, never mind. Let's find a solution. Now I'm seriously confused. In the instruction it says that I should drill it right next to these wooden blocks. But I was already wondering because there were pre-drilled holes here. But these didn't fit the distance between the 2 holes in the metal here. Well, these are 69 euros for you, I suppose. Yeah, as you can see, that's totally not how it should be. They are bent right now, and I should probably put them in these positions. Let's give it a shot, I suppose. Oh. I think that should work. Now my hands hurt because that was pretty exhausting with the nuts. They have like a piece of rubber in there such that vibrations won't let them go loose. But yeah, that was pretty painful in my hand, and I still have 2 more to go, and also a few shelves and a wagon. And I believe it's not going to be a more pleasant experience than the one I had right now. But well, what can you do? Let's keep going. Nice. I don't want to state my opinion here, but is it just me or is that storage system looking kinda big? I'm surprised, actually it looks pretty good for a very, very cheap price. I think about $70 in total. That's totally nice and it's pretty damn stable. Gotta admit that. If I now mount it to the walls, nothing should wiggle. Very satisfied with the, basically, yeah, with the price and what it's delivering at the moment. We see in the future how it's going to pan out overall, if it's going to hold up or if it's going to break, but I don't think it's going to break. That would be weird, honestly. So I'm basically done with putting everything that I have for Stemmer.eu, at least for the products which don't need to be produced by myself anymore or which are from other companies that I'm reselling. They are sorted into here. So let me go over them. So what we have here are a bunch of packing materials, a lot of tape, yeah, and a lot of cartonage. This right here are the boxes that I use most. Those are boxes which I bought at first, but they don't fit the format that I need, so I need to cut them to size eventually. But other than that, we have handcrafted Da Vinci bridges here, and all these products that I'm going to show to you, you can find over on Stemmer.eu and purchase for yourself if you're interested. Those are some Beware products, so outlet products, and here we have quantum playing cards. Yeah, quantum electrodynamics playing cards. They are a good seller on my website. But other than that, we have a pentomino puzzle here, and we also have a spinning cross puzzle. I have a lot of little puzzles over on the website. This right here is the dexterity ball. We also have the dexterity star puzzle here and the dexterity pyramid. We also have Connect 3. Those are little metal puzzles. Then we have a 10-gram puzzle and also a magic cube. You are probably familiar with this. Here we have a free fold puzzle set with a dexterity star in here. Also some kind of dexterity pyramid too, but with balls. You can say these balls, these nuts. And also we have a magic cube in here. Other than that, a lot of Da Vinci things. For example, the area screw designed by Da Vinci, which sadly can take off, and also a trebuchet, which can shoot balls. Okay, once again, these nuts, which can shoot these nuts pretty far, up to 4 meters. This one actually works. Then we have another Da Vinci's bridge. The premium one, I only have like 5 left in stock. After that they are gone. And also we have a catapult here, which also works. This one can also shoot these nuts a few meters wide. Then from Stemmer.com I also have 3D printed pyramids. They are very colorful and very good looking. If you take a look at that, a Sierpinski pyramid. I have a failed model here. Okay, this was a test print and yeah, looks rather ugly. It's an outlet item. And other than that, anything left? Yeah, Get and Connect. Already the things that I prepared for the game. And this is basically it, you could say. Yeah, quite a lot of stuff that is going on over on Stemmer.eu, and now I have everything sorted here, and it's so nice to have a lot of space out there once again. And this, I think, concludes today's workshop vlog, and I hope you did enjoy what you have seen today. Next up, I'm going to transform these tables that I built today or the previous days into something different, into a shopping station. This is going to be one. One is going to be a new router table, and the other one, I don't know yet. Maybe this one is just going to be part of my big workbench, which is going to land right in the middle of my workshop. But yeah, you can see this in the next episode, and I hope you enjoyed what you've seen today. Please subscribe if you did, and if you want to see more DIY projects and vlogs. Whew. My mouth is getting dry, I need to drink something. And up until the next video, I wish you guys a flammable day. Ciao!